Hello Choops, good morning. Well, just a nice quiet spot with normal things, normal cars, jumpy, some slight boats. Well, you can't call them ships, can you? No, pleasure boats, smallies, Kampala cruiser, an Aldi supermarket. Well, I'll show you there, you see, just a normal area, normal cars. Well, beer or beer? Normal houses, bicycles, for sale, small harbor. So nice and quiet, and then suddenly there's this again. Well, you know this one from a former vid. But it's still very funny. Is he working with it? Nope. But he's driving it because it's another spot. It was in the same area, but it's another spot, so he's using it. Maybe it's a daily driver. You never know. So, you never know what you find in a nice, quiet neighborhood. Well, Choops, from this nice, quiet neighborhood with normal people and normal cars, we see you. Bye-bye.